Check it. This is ThermBot. It's smaller, faster, and smarter than any other kind of thermometer.
You just plug it into your phone or your power brick. It works right out of the box. It's totally contactless. It measures 100% clinical accuracy in less than 1 single second.
You can toggle between Fahrenheit and Celsius. And it even has an easy-to-read screen.
It's small enough to fit on a keychain or in your pocket.
But why is it the smartest?
Because inside ThermBot, there's an embedded BLE chip that automatically integrates with existing wellness and health tracking apps. And it also integrates with protocols like IFTTT.
So it transforms a regular thermometer into an IoT device?
Hey Kickstarter, with your help, my grandkids can finally join us in the 21st century. Say goodbye to clunky, slow, and dumb. And hello to ThermBot. Smaller, instant, smarter.